You want me to pull it? Oh, I think you got it. Here. I think you got it. There you go. Oh.
What is it?
Gotta open it, Helen.
Is this mine?
They're both yours.
They're both for you.
They're both for me?
Here.
What is it?
You gotta open it to find out.
It's a block.
Sure is.
I don't know. Can you open the box?
What is it?
I wonder if it's a puppy. It's not a puppy toy, it's a box.
Oh, Stella, it's beautiful.
Now we can open another present.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Look, we love it.
Boy, that looks familiar.
That does look familiar.
We love it.
Stella, doesn't Mommy have a coat just like that?
Yeah, we're gonna be matching.
She's gonna do the same. It's not fun.
Tiny bits.
You can just open the lid. Oh, get it all off. Uh-oh. What is it?
Ooh, it's closed. Can you say thank you? Say thank you, Miss Nancy.
Thank you.
Oh, I love them.
Tell Miss Nancy thank you. Say thank you, Miss Nancy.
Thank you, Miss Nancy.
Thank you, Miss Nancy.